Post-World War political development. Till 8th standard, okay? Till 8th standard, we are learning about civics. What is civics? What the things are there? In civics, the n number of things we have studied. That is local government bodies. Yes. Then we have also studies about the Panchayat Samiti, the constitution of the constitution frameworks, who made our constitution, and we have studied n number of Panchayat Samitis. But now we had been studied about political science in this from 9. We have studied, our subject has been, the name of the subject has been totally changed. That is political science. So political science, what we have studied, what we will study? Yes, exactly correct. That is, okay, IAS, IFS, IPS, okay, government structure, okay, good. Introduction to the parliamentary system, 3 World War, about parliament, okay, good. Good to see all of answer. Finance, no, finance is not that much. Okay, so in political system, in a short manner, we will study about the political science. We will study about the political system. We will study about the organization, that is non-profit organization, private organization, public organization. And not only that, we will also study about the world war, the global issues, the India relations with the other world. We will study all these things in our political science. So we all know that we are dependent, okay? We are dependent from one another, from one person to another person, from one institution to another institution. We all are dependent in our society. And not only that much, student, we all are dependent by different reasons. This is nothing but it is called as interdependence. Okay, if you are taking an example of our building also now, without a pillar, the building will never be constructed. As same as we all are dependent from one person to another person. We all are dependent from one institution to another institution. Okay. Okay. So a system of all this independent sovereign, or the state, or we can say the system in which we are depending with one another. Okay. Our country is also dependent on another country. If we take an example of trade relations, we are doing a trade with another country, and because of that our economic is stable, our economic is good somewhere. Why? Because we are doing a trade with another country, we are making a relation friendly, because at the time when we are having some help, we can able to take a help from another country also. We are helping another countries also, maintaining a relation with another countries. If we are helping another countries, so our relations with another country is very friendly. Okay, so this is nothing but the international system. And the features, there are some features of the international system. That is, first is interdependence. As I told you, our institutions, all the institutions, all the persons, all the organization like a private organization, public organization, we all are dependent one another, on each other, for small reason or for big reason. But to make a self-sufficient nation, to make a nation in ongoing process, it is very mandatory, it is compulsory to depend on each other. We can see here in world, In world also, each and every country is dependent on one another. And it is important to make a friendly relation, to interdependent on each other. Okay, international relations through foreign policies. Now, international relations through foreign policy. In geography also, you have learned, or you will learn, okay, about some organization, trade organization, like Asians is there, SARC is there, then APEC is there, APEC, APEC is there. There are n number of organizations. BRICS are there. The trade organization. These are the trade organization. One of the example I will give to you, that is BRICS. BRICS. Did you know the full form of BRICS? This is the association where the trade is going. This association is specially made for the country, for this country, okay, for only this country, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. So any trade happen between this country, so it will, or any negotiation, or we can say any fight happen between this country, these 5 countries, it will shared by BRICS organization. Okay. Example of OPEC. So OPEC is the organization which is built for only petroleum. The countries who is doing a relation, who is doing a trade, who is having a trade relations for the petroleum only, okay? So, or any negotiation or any fights happen related to this matter, this will solve by OPEC. So, international relations through foreign policies. Now, every nation's having different trade policies. Every nation having different policies. And it's their internal dealings. Internal dealings, like some are doing domestic trades, some are doing international trade, some are doing internal trade, some are doing home trades. So the policies are levied at the trade. Or some policies are levied for transportations, some policies are levied for business, different policies. If we, okay, so these are the different policy. Each and every countries having different policies, having different manners to handle their countries, to dealing the all the things. So such policy is nothing but the foreign policies. And the trade organization which we learned, like SARC is there, BRICS are there. This is the organization who helping us to make a foreign trade relations, to make an international trade relation in a proper manner. Because of this organization, we are able to do our trade relations properly, without any fights, without any hazards, without any dangerous. Now world wars are taken a place. The First World War, we can see in the screen, the First World War and the Second World War. One by one, we'll go to each and every part. But before this, we are going to the background of this World War. What is exactly the background of this World War? The world in which we live today. In the past scenario, if we study, the 2 world wars are happened. The 2 world wars are happened, okay? In the past scenario, the 2 world wars are happened. And now we will go back to our history and let's study what is the First World War and what is the Second World War. So let's move to the First World War. So we can see in the screen, the First World War happened in, that is 28 July 1940, and it's ended in 11 November 1918. Till 4 years, this war is ongoing. So just remember, just imagine what type of loss has been happened and what type of destruction has been taken place. Okay, this war in which the central power, that is Germany, Austria, Hungary, and then joined laterally, okay, after some time, the Turkey, then Bulgaria has been joined in this world war. And in this war, we can see the alliance of, that is France, Russia, then British is also involved. And after some time, the Italy and USA is also joined in this First World War. So in this First World War, approximately more than, like, Germany is there, Austria is there, Hungary is there, Italy is there, USA, Bulgaria, then France, Russia, and other country joined this world war. This world war is taken place for 4 years. Now, what happened in this world war? This world war is happened between major of the countries. The countries which are of the Europe, okay, the countries in Europe, and it taken a place in a central place of Europe, okay, and where we can find the war caused a tremendous loss of life and properties. A tremendous loss of lives and properties. Then countries which joined the war, like Italy, Germany, USA, Britain, or we can say England, the countries which joined the war, they are suffering from tremendous economic losses. Economic losses means financial losses. The n number, the losses are tremendous because they joined the war. And even the country who not joined the war, they are also impacted somewhere because of this First World War. In this First World War, the totally economic has been collapsed. The loss of the people has been happened, and number of people has been killed in this war. And this war has happened between 4 years, that is 1940 and 1918. The India not joined the war, but directly or indirectly, the trade relation has been stopped. The trade has been stopped. Okay. Afterwards, all the countries are were facing the problems, were facing the economic and social problems because of this First World War. Now, the next is Second World War. Second World War is happened, okay, but before this, we will move to the country involved in the First World War. But before
This country, which you have stated to me, this all country is involved in the First World War. Now, at the end of the First World War, all the nation felt that such a war should not happen again. This type of war, which happened in 1914 to 1918, should not happen again. That's why they had taken a certain measures. They started to taken a certain measures. Exactly correct, Sakshi. That is League of Nation. League of Nation has been established for solving this international problem and for peace in overall world. Their main responsibility for to avoid war and to understand each other. But after the First World War, major changes has been came in Europe. For example, the economic problem, the Europe has been totally collapsed. The new nations came to into being. The new nation has been came, organized, and established. Many European countries had created their colonies in the continent of Africa and Asia. Now, League of Nations is established for peace. Yes, exactly correct, Shivam. Germany is the superpower at that time. So League of Nations is established for peace, okay, promoting the peace in overall world. But this not happen, okay, and avoid the wars. But it not be succeeded. And again, the Second World War has been started. Again, they started with the 39 to 1945. Now, what happened in this World War? Okay, because of First World War, it proved that because of World War, the more and more destruction has been happened. But again, we are go with the World War, and in this World War, it is really at a large level. Second World War, it is at a large level. It is more destructive than the First World War. It not only come widespread, there are the more country involved as compared to First World War. We can see here the country's name also. Okay, take a look at the Second World War, how it has happened. First of all, Germany invaded Poland. Okay, in 1st September 1939, Germany invaded Poland. Then France and Britain declared war on Germany. France and Britain both had declared that we will took a war with Germany. That is on 1939. Then the Nazis invaded France. That is on May 10th, 1940. Okay. Okay. Now in August, that is the Adolf Hitler supporters, that is the Nazis. They are also involved in this. They are invaded France. Then Germany bombed Paris. That is on 3rd June 1940. And at last, the World War ends. So this is the sequence of the Second World War. Okay. And here we understand that America played a major role in this World War. Okay. In this World War, America played a major role. How it is so? Because it had manufactured nuclear weapon. America had manufactured nuclear weapons. And in order to end the war, it dropped 2 nuclear weapons, that is on 2 cities of Japan, that is Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Yes, exactly correct. Now also now okay. Now what happened? The Second World War ended with the defeat of Germany in Europe and the Japan in Asia. And among the many events that took places, and slowly and gradually all thing after the end of the Second World War, the Cold War, they are decided of the Cold War, that is 1945 to 1981. So the Cold War has been took place, that is from 1945 to 1991. But what happened in the Cold World War? What happened in the Cold World War? Let's take a move. Okay, in Cold War, what happened? America and the Soviet Union. Okay, America and Russia, who were allies in the Second World War. Okay, now they are become the competitor at the end of the Second World War. And the cooperation between them gave wave of rivalry. Now they are both are Germany and Russia, both are competitors. and they are both are competitors for 40 to 45 years for international politics. Yes, exactly. Okay, so there were no open war between these two countries. Okay, now there are no wars because it is called as now Cold War. In that Cold War, there is no war has been take place. No war has been take place.